for your Barbie cocktail. Cheers, guys. Let us expand our appreciation for all of our favorite beverages through the stories and places that bring them to life. Welcome to Cork and Java. Hello, everybody. Welcome to corkandjava.com. We're your go-to place for coffee and wine and other beverage reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all of your favorite beverages. So if that sounds interesting to you, consider hitting that subscribe button down below so you're notified when all of our future videos come out. All right, guys. So there's a movie that came out today as I'm filming this. It's a Barbie movie. I haven't seen a preview. I haven't seen any ads for it. I just know it's out and it's popular. I've seen there's a lot of people going to it. I might check it out. I don't know. I heard Will Ferrell's in it, so I guess it's probably pretty funny. Anyway, so we're going to be making a Barbie-inspired cocktail for you. Been testing out some different recipes in our cocktail lab, and I think I came up with one you guys are really going to enjoy. So first up, let's get right down to the recipe. You want a shaker filled with ice. And we're going to start out with 1 ounce of coconut milk. And this one, milk was chilled. Then we're going to go with Barbie's all-time favorite, vodka. I think she likes the cheap stuff here. We're going to go 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces, actually 2 ounces of vodka there. Then we're going to come in with some Cranberry Pomegranate, and this is the Lidl brand, but some either cranberry juice works, pomegranate juice, or cranberry pomegranate. If you want pink lemonade, that should work as well. And then we're going to top it off with about 3/4 ounce to 1 ounce of Grenadine. And that's really going to give it a lot of sweetness, but also a big pop of that pink color along with the cranberry pomegranate and the coconut milk. It'll add a little bit more, it'll make it more pinkish because white and red together make, pink. But also it adds a really nice tropical coconut flavor that I love. Shake it up. You're definitely going to want to shake this and not stir it. It'll get, the milk will get kind of like clumpy if you're stirring it, but if you shake it, it gets nice and creamy and foamy. All right. Pour it into our glass. And that's perfect right there for your Barbie cocktail. Cheers, guys. Sweet, tropically. It's got a nice little kick of that vodka in there. Very delicious drink and perfect for the Barbie theme. Guys, make sure you're checking us out online. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. And let us know what other movie-inspired cocktails you'd like us to create in the comments down below. And we'll see if we'll try them out. So, yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you're notified when all of our future videos come out. And give us a thumbs up because it helps the YouTube algorithm put our faces in front of more people. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time, bottoms up.